Good day, everyone. My name is Shanyang Shane Gable. I'm here to present my Smart Expense Tracker. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever miscalculated your expenses? Have you ever wondered where your money went? Or struggled to summarize your daily spending? If yes, then you are exactly the reason why I created the Smart Expense Tracker. Many individuals and small businesses still use manual tracking. And manual tracking is so slow, prone to computation errors, and difficult to summarize. So these small mistakes can lead to poor financial decision, overspending, and loss of profit. And in business, even small errors matter. That is why I create the Smart Expense Tracker, a simple but powerful system that automates expense recording. Instead of computing manually, the system automatically records expenses, organize them by category, and instantly generates summary reports. It is fast, it is accurate, and it saves time. The system is very easy to use. First, the user login. Second, selects from main menu. Third, adds an expense by entering the title, category, and amount. And fourth, the system automatically validates and saves the data. With just a few clicks, users can view all expenses, see total spending, and view category summaries. No complicated setup, no advanced technical skills required. By using the Smart Expense Tracker, the users will save time, reduce human errors, improve financial monitoring, make smarter financial decisions, and instead of guessing where the money goes, users will clearly see it. The system is perfect for students managing allowance, working professionals tracking monthly expenses, and family budgeting household spending, small businesses monitoring daily sales. And it gives users better control over their finances, and control means power. Unlike complicated accounting system, the Smart Expense Tracker is simple, affordable, easy to operate, and expandable for future improvements. It is practical and accessible for everyday users. So why choose the Smart Expense Tracker? Because financial awareness starts with the proper tracking. This system helps users control overspending, understand spending habits, and make informed decisions. In today's fast paced world, smart tracking leads to smart living, and that is exactly the Smart Expenses Tracker provide. Invest in smarter tracking, invest in better financial decisions. Choose the Smart Expense Tracker. Thank you.